Okay. Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to this session. So my name is Sylvie Rigaret. I'm working for ST Microelectronics inside the imaging division, and I'm in charge of the EMEA region. So this afternoon, I will be pleased to introduce you to ST time-of-flight sensor solutions for industrial market applications. So let's start first with an introduction to the ST time-of-flight technology. So the time-of-flight principle is a method for measuring the distance between an object and the sensor. And this method is based on the time difference of the emission of a VCSEL light signal and its return to the sensor after being reflected by the target. Okay, so thanks to this method, the measured distance is equal to the photon travel time divided by 2 multiplied by the speed of the light. So this ST proprietary technology is so giving a true distance measurement independently of the object size, color, and reflectance. And thanks to this fast and low power technology, ST time-of-flight sensors can be used in a huge amount of different use cases. The laser is based on an invisible 940 nanometer illumination. Okay, and so I will further comment this technology in this presentation. ST has been the pioneer and is still the leader in time-of-flight sensors. We have launched on last year our 4th generation of product, and we shipped more than 1.5 billion of units since the beginning of this adventure. The key message here is that ST is mastering the end-to-end supply chain from the design of our own pixels, the SPAD, single photon avalanche diodes. We also develop our advanced CMOS process, but also the embedding software algorithms. And we have expertise in micro-optics, illumination, and final packaging up to the manufacturing. So in this tense context of electronic components, this is very much appreciated by all our customers. So let's have a look to a typical ST TOF module. ST is proposing an all-in-one device. So in a single device, we embed the emitter, the laser, that is a full class 1 safety compliant, so totally safe for the human eyes. And on the other side, you have the receiver part with the SPAD arrays and with the VCSEL driver. Depending on the TOF reference, we can integrate some optics with infrared filters. So a typical size is in the range of 4.4 times 2.4 times 1 millimeter. Okay. And we control the whole assembly and testing with our manufacturing line in Shenzhen. So thanks to this all-in-one product, ST is proposing an optimized mix of cost, performance, and also size. So let's move now to the usage of ST TOF sensors in industrial market. So thanks to their multiple functions, the ST TOF sensors are the perfect solutions for a huge number of use cases. Indeed, we say that the TOF sensor can perform an accurate distance measurement, but they can also perform proximity sensing. So they can be used in order to detect the presence of an object or a person in front of a machine to awaken the system. They can also detect multiple objects within its field of view, and for each detected object, give the distance of these objects with the sensor. So for instance, for collision avoidance use case. And some ST TOF reference can also perform multi-zone distance measurement. So on up to 64 zones, the sensor can detect several objects simultaneously in each zone and can again give the accurate distance of all these objects. And this multi-zone function is enabling the door to new applications like gesture recognition, but also people detection and counting. Okay. We have also the possibility to program the field of view in some of our ToF sensors. So in order to adapt to the environment, especially when you need to measure the content of, let's say, a container, you need to adapt to the size of the container. And the STTOF sensors can also perform 3D sensing. So you can see that with this list of use cases highlighted here, we have an unlimited number of possibilities with STTOF sensors. So let's switch to the, let's focus now on the industrial market. In industrial market, the safety of the operators is key. Indeed, the STTOF sensors can detect the presence of a person in a danger zone, and in this case, prevent the machine to restart as long as the person stays in this area. The ToF sensor can also detect multiple persons in a given area and track the motion of these persons in this area. And the key advantage of this kind of sensors compared to a traditional CMOS imager is that this detection is done without any image. It's all done on distance measurement, which means that we totally preserve the user privacy. There is absolutely no image output. Okay. The STTOF sensors can be used also for system activation, either through touchless buttons or through gesture recognition. And in the context of industrial market, it can be interesting to, let's say, to avoid touching a surface to control a system. So we have already proven the performance of ST time-of-flight sensors for all these challenging industrial designs. Thanks to their robust and fast presence detection, we allow an efficient operation and an ultimate safety. And these sensors are really fast and accurate in ranging, again, independently of the material. And we have also a wide range of different time-of-flight sensors in order to cope with different use cases, depending on the maximum distance that you need to measure, on the number of objects that you need to measure, on your budget in terms of power consumption. We can really adapt to different use cases. In industrial market, the inventory management and content level monitoring are mandatory if you want, for instance, to locate an empty space in a warehouse to store a pallet, or also to count the number of entries and exits for statistics purpose, also to identify which locations are the more solicited. So it's also very useful to monitor the remaining space inside the container, or to monitor also the load of a truck and to detect if some parcels are moving inside the truck. So the STTOF sensors will really enhance your device for all these use cases, thanks to their ability first to work in total dark conditions, okay, and also thanks to their robustness to smudge, because the ToF sensors can be protected by a cover glass, and we are compatible with different cover glass materials and thickness. And depending on the ST time-of-flight sensor, we have the possibility to perform a dynamic smudge correction, so to avoid particles or dust, to limit, let's say, the accuracy on the distance measurement. If we focus on access control, the hands-free or the touchless is really the new norm today. And having a non-contact system is really vastly reducing the bacteria and the virus spread. So STTOF sensors can be used in order to detect the presence of a person in front of a machine or a panel, to wake on the device upon detection, but also to, let's say, turn the device into the screen onto power down mode when nobody is in front of the screen. So thus reducing the power consumption, saving energy. And the same panel so can be controlled through gestures, and the STTOF sensors can interpret those different gestures. And again, due to COVID-19, the number of contactless devices has drastically increased on this last month, and controlling them through gesture is really the simplest and most efficient way to, let's say, to proceed. So ST ToF sensor performance are fully aligned with these use cases, thanks to their programmable field of view. And in the case of touch-free, let's say, a button in a lift to select the floor number, having the reduced field of view will ease the integration of the time-of-flight sensor into this final system. And also their small footprint will ease their integration for a cost-effective solution. So we mentioned that to further enhance the operator's safety, ST ToF sensor can perform some gesture recognition, and the new multi-zone ST ToF sensor is really the product of choice for this kind of gesture recognition. How does it work? We say that the ToF sensor will estimate and compute the distance of the objects in front of the sensor. In the case of a multi-zone time-of-flight sensor, the sensor will perceive the world in a 8x8 zone, so 64 zones. And it will be, in this case, capable, combined with ST trademarked gesture recognition algorithm, to track the hand on this array and to follow and to interpret the gestures of your hand. So this algorithm is capable to detect multiple motion, like the tap, double tap, the right and left swipe, and also the level control. Okay. This application can run on microcontrollers based on Cortex M0 Plus and M4, thanks to the libraries that are available in the software package. So the benefits of the multi-zone time-of-flight sensors are multiple. Cost-effective, as we said, low power consumption, thanks to the light gesture algorithm. Indeed, so a low processing complexity. And on top of it, a total privacy of the user. Again, no image is output. All this gesture recognition is done through distance measurement. So let's switch now to the ST FlightSense offer. So as you can see on this, let's say on this slide set, we have different time-of-flight solutions. The products are presented here on the horizontal axis, depending on the maximum distance measurement in centimeters. And on the left side, you have a series of pictograms that corresponds to the main KPIs of the products. So you can see that we have different solutions. Most of them are single zone sensors, except the new VL53L56, that is our new multi-zone 64 zones time-of-flight sensor. So we have different solutions depending on your application and your needs, depending on the maximum distance that you need to measure. For short distances, we launched on the market at the beginning of the year the VL53L4CD, that has a very good linearity at short distances. You have the information here on the diagonal field of view, 18 degrees, compared to the other products that are more in the range of 25, 26 degrees in diagonal. Okay. We have also time-of-flight solutions that can measure distances up to 8 meters, with like the L1CB. And we have for some of them, so the histogram functions, meaning that those sensors are capable to detect multiple objects within its field of view, and it can so output the measured distance with each individual object. Okay. We have also for the L1CX and L1CB the possibility by software to configure the field of view, so really to adapt to your specific use case. If you need to narrow the field of view below 27 degrees, this can be selected by software by simply changing the region of interest of the imager. Then you have the possibility so to activate some low power modes depending on the product in order to reduce the overall power consumption of your system. And in this case, so the ToF sensors can act as detectors, and you can wake up the ToF sensor on a specific event and enable an accurate distance measurement. We have also developed for the L16 and L36 an ultra low power driver that is available on ST.com, allowing so to drastically reduce the power consumption of these two time-of-flight sensors much below 100 microamps. And it means that those products are particularly suitable for battery operated systems, okay? In order again to limit the overall power consumption. And the VL53L56 so is our first multi-zone time-of-flight sensor that we introduced on the market on the second half of last year. And it differs from the single-zone time-of-flight products with its ability to work in either 8x8 mode, so 64 zones, or 4x4, so 16 or 64 zones. And you have, so the sensor is capable to detect, again, multiple objects simultaneously in each of these zones. And you have a diagonal field of view of 63 degrees, so larger diagonal field of view compared to the other single zone time-of-flight sensors in order to enable new applications like gesture recognition or people detection and counting. Okay. All these products belong to the ST longevity program. It means that we engage on a total mass production of minimum 7 years from the introduction of these products. And we try also to keep, let's say, a pin-to-pin and size compatibility each time we launch a new product on the market in order to help our customers to switch from an existing ToF sensor reference to a new one and to test the new functions. You have, for all of these products, evaluation kits that are available that can be ordered on ST.com website or through your local sales representatives. So we provide the hardware, and you have also all the documentation, data sheet, user's manual, application notes, code examples, and drivers available on ST.com. You can simply download them by typing the reference of the time-of-flight sensor. Okay. Don't hesitate to visit our booth. You will have a live demo of the VL53L56 with a gesture recognition. So again, in a setup of a thermostat, we can control the temperature and the speed of the fan simply with some gestures that are analyzed and recognized by the multi-zone ToF sensor. Our booth is at the stand number 333, so don't hesitate, and I will be pleased to give you more technical information on these products. I thank you for your attention, and I stay available if you have any questions.